I went grocery shopping, and this is only the stuff that did not need to go in the fridge or refrigerator. I picked up some granola.
This is actually not the kind that I actually really like. This kind right here. It's so good. I get it from Walmart, but it's getting really hard to find. I guess not a lot of people buy it, but it is so good.
So good. I actually was in Kroger today because, well, my contract just ended in North Carolina, and in North Carolina, if you're not familiar, they don't have Kroger. They have Harris Teeter, which is not the same. It's not the same. It's very different. I'm laying my hair down for my hair. Back to that later, but it's not the same. So yeah, got the granola for my yogurt. Yogurt is in the fridge. I use the might as well show you guys. Too good with a little bit of sugar-free syrup. Got some chicken breast, making some casserole. What else? With some, I found this. I wanted some Gouda cheese. I got the private selection chef's blend with sharp cheddar, Gouda, and Asiago. I think that's gonna be bomb. With some cauliflower rice and broccoli and a casserole. And then I also got, which I'm gonna cook right out, and that's gonna go with some ranch seasoning. Got Jello to go with some whipped cream for a snack. We have green beans, because I don't want to do a whole bunch of cooking, to go with rice and salmon, some extra seasonings. And yeah, that's it right now. Excuse my crusty lips, but this is the wig in the store. Took a lot of finessing. I do not recommend buying this wig at all. See my Instagram for details, because girl, no, just no. Say no to French fries, period. Not my cart going all the way back there. Stay like this is. So I just got my pedicure, and I got it from this place that just opened near me, and it was, I just don't understand why people can't listen. Like, I want what I want. I want the color I want. The color is fine, okay? And maybe because I'm a little extra sensitive today or whatever, but I don't know. No, because yesterday I came here to get my nails taken off. They couldn't do that right either, but I had already made my appointment, so I was like, no, I'll try it again today. Came back today. Why you gotta be so rough? Why for? And then I'm telling you stuff like I got big legs. Like, I'm thick. Like grits that's been sitting on the stove all day, thick, baby. Trying to pull my leggings down over my calves. I got big calves. I'm telling you, I got it. Because I know how to maneuver my clothes. And you yanking them down. But pedicure accomplished. Now I'm gonna go handle errands.